mailbox key a little froze, but yeah. It's really cold. There we go. Fun. It is so cold. Yep, you've seen it. This is what came in the mail today for me. As you'll see, it's like, I don't know, but yeah, it is snowing out there. It is snowing. And of course, Pepsi still gives you a bunch of this. And the usual, give me that. And let me I show you guys something. A whole lot of bubble wrap, but there's 6 of these. So, I don't think Pepsi really wrapped this very good, but alright. And I'll show you. Six of them, and they give me a bunch of bubble wrap. So, they're plastic, they're not glass, so. And that's what it says on the bottom. Pretty sweet, huh? Pepsi glasses. And there's 6 basically. So, but Menards, they did not send me home early. I'm thinking it was because they had too many call-ins. They didn't really have a whole lot of people working today, really. But like I said, so, but yeah, these ain't too bad. They'll just have to be washed because you don't know where they were when they come to you. Is all I would say with these cups. They're plastic, so they're nice. The bad part is there hasn't been really anything I can redeem for more. This ends on, I believe, February 28th. So you gotta use your points. Well, I got 62 points. And I can't really redeem for anything. And now I'm kicking myself in the butt because I'm like, well, I should have waited till I had 400 points and I could have gotten 2 bobbleheads right now of 2 different NFL players. Or went and redeemed for an autographed football and made money off of it. You know. It's a lesson learned. What can I say, you know? So, tomorrow I gotta be to work by 8 in the morning. And the roads are legitimately bad. Out here in Wisconsin, anyway. That's all I can say. So, yeah. We haven't seen 50-degree weather for a long time here in Wisconsin. So, it's one thing, us in Wisconsin, we're known as the frozen tundra. But people say, well, you know what's colder than Wisconsin? Is Canada, I guess. But I don't know that for sure, you know? So, you can't really judge what you don't know, you know? So,